Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Look at this rainbow pull-me-up waffle recipe. What a fantastic array of colours, with a hidden pile of waffles underneath. Amazing. So let's start. You want 400 grams of waffle mix, 2 eggs, 200 millilitres of milk, and 100 grams of melted butter. Whisk them together till smooth and thick. There. Now add 1 cup of that to a waffle pan. Close it up and bake for 15 minutes at 150 degrees. Your waffle is ready and you can carefully remove it with tongs. Make a few of these. Next, add some whipped cream to a bowl and mix with orange food colour. Let's also do blue, purple, red, yellow and green as well. We've got a whole array of colours. Place your first waffle on a plate, pipe Nutella onto the middle and use it to stick down the second waffle, and so on and so forth. As many as you like, so it's kind of like layering a cake. Keep going, waffle upon waffle, stuck together with Nutella. Place an acetate sheet around the pile of waffles, fixing it down, and then start piping on your coloured whipped cream. In any order you like, we're starting with purple, then blue, then green, yellow, orange, and finally red. Add some sprinkles, and chuck on a few marshmallows too. Now carefully remove the acetate sheet and watch it ooze down the sides. Rainbow pull-me-up waffles. What a fantastic, colourful recipe. Fun to do and delicious to eat. Slice it up just like a cake and enjoy. See you next time for more Nyam Nyam recipes. Surprise your party guests with this Pop-It and Pull-Me-Up cake. A brilliant vanilla cake covered in chocolate Pop-It pieces with a chocolate ganache surprise at the end. So if you want to add a little colour to your day, give this a shot. Start with a square-shaped Pop-It and pipe on melted white chocolate of different colours. Refrigerate that for 30 minutes to set. Now get a vanilla cake and pipe on white buttercream. Then place your second layer and coat the entire thing in white buttercream using the turntable. Smooth it out, then stick on your chocolate bars. These have been cut from the set chocolate which we added to our Pop-It earlier. We're adding 3 of each colour, so that means you're going to want to refrigerate 3 chocolate-coated Pop-Its. Then you just slice them into bars like so. Once you've covered the outside of the cake, you can refrigerate for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, we're getting another chocolate Pop-It and we are grating it. This creates wonderfully colourful chocolate shavings. Now get an acetate sheet, place it on the middle of your cake, pour in chocolate ganache and add your chocolate shavings on top. Then simply remove the acetate sheet and a fountain of colour flows down the side of the cake. What a sight to behold! And there you have it, Pop-It and Pull-Me-Up cake. Cut a slice and enjoy. And join us next time for more Nyam Nyam recipes. Do you love chocolate cake? Well, you've got to check out this really cool pull-me-up chocolate cake decoration hack by Nyam Nyam. All you need is your basic chocolate cake. You can buy it from the store or pre-make it. Just slice it in half and fill it with buttercream icing. We're using chocolate buttercream icing, of course. Then we cover the top in buttercream icing. And even all the way around the side. Why not? Let's go all in. Of course, it doesn't have to be chocolate. It can be to your liking. Once that's smoothed over, we chill it. And now comes the fun part. Let's make the chocolate ganache using dark chocolate melted in hot whipped cream. Ooh, delicious. It's very easy to make chocolate ganache, and it's going to look so cool. After we've put our plastic sheet around our set cake, we can pour on the chocolate ganache. And that plastic sheet just keeps it all in place for now, so we can add our sprinkles, or whatever decoration you really want to add. We're adding some gold powder too. Gently lift off the plastic sheet and let it drip down the sides. Oh my goodness, that looks chocolicious! Can you believe how super easy it is to make a very professional looking cake? You could even try this with mini chocolate cakes or cupcakes. That would be cool too, but just look at this. Almost too good to eat. Go on, I know you want to. Let's make a tsunami doll cake. Very red, very glittery, and very yum. Start with 200 grams of white chocolate buttons and pour on 100 milliliters of hot, heavy cream. Mix together until all the chocolate has dissolved. And then mix in some red food colour. We want it nice and bright. Add some strawberries to a plate and place a dome-shaped vanilla cake on top. Then stick your cardboard doll cutout in the middle using a cocktail stick. Place a cookie cutter over her head and start pouring in your melted red coloured chocolate and red edible glitter. Then simply remove the cookie cutter and let it drip down the sides. And it looks just like a sparkly party dress for your doll. And there you have it, Tsunami doll cake. Absolutely delicious. Now simply dig in and enjoy. See you next time for more Nyam Nyam recipes.